got the LUKDOF automatic watch winder. This is the rear of it. Power, off and on. Light, off and on rotation. Very nice wood grain. Six-watch capacity at the top. Very, very nice wood grain. Turn it around. Very stylish, sturdy. Operational touchscreen. 12 storage bins. Setting, touchscreen setting. Very, very well handcrafted. Locks. Door opens. Very, very well handcrafted. LED screen readout touchscreen. Catch at the top of the door. Very, very good bargain for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your watch collection accessories. You get the cabinet key, which locks the top and the bottom. You get the user manual. You get the adapter. Very, very, very good power adapter. Extra watch brackets, 4 extra ones. Highly recommend the LUKDOF automatic watch winder.